What if I told you that homework as you know it might soon disappear? That essays could be written in seconds, math problems solved instantly, and even your teacher's voice replaced by an AI tutor that never sleeps? This isn't a sci-fi fantasy, it's already happening. And it's forcing us to ask a terrifying, thrilling question. Is AI the end of school as we know it? Or is it the beginning of something better? Picture this. It's 3 a.m. and a student somewhere just used ChatGPT to finish an English paper in 12 seconds. A teacher across the world uses AI to generate a full lesson plan, complete with slides and quizzes. A parent opens an app that uses machine learning to predict their child's future academic struggles before they even happen. This isn't hypothetical, it's happening now. According to a 2023 survey by Education Week, over 51% of U.S. teachers reported students using AI tools like ChatGPT for assignments. Meanwhile, EdTech giants like Khan Academy and Duolingo have already rolled out AI-powered tutors capable of real-time feedback and adaptive instruction. So here's the question: if AI can do the work faster, smarter, and with less effort, what's the point of school? The answer, it turns out, isn't so simple, because for all the promise AI offers, it also raises huge concerns. Who controls the algorithms? What happens to human creativity, critical thinking, and social learning if machines do the heavy lifting? Some experts are excited. AI can personalize learning, scale high-quality education globally, and fill teacher shortages. The Brookings Institution highlights how AI can assist neurodiverse students, offering customized tools that traditional classrooms often can't. But others are deeply worried. The OECD warns that if schools rely too heavily on automation, we risk losing the human connection that makes education meaningful, and academic integrity already under fire. A 2024 Stanford study found that 30% of college students admitted to using AI to write parts of their assignments. So if AI can pass the test, should we still be giving tests? Here's the twist. AI may not be the end of school, but it could be the end of school as we know it. The traditional model of memorizing information and regurgitating it on exams was already outdated. AI just exposed the cracks faster. What matters now isn't what you can memorize, but what you can do with what you know. It's about asking better questions, thinking critically, and building skills machines can't replicate: empathy, ethical judgment, and collaboration. In other words, school has to change, not disappear. So maybe we stop asking, will AI replace school? And start asking, how do we make school irreplaceable? That might mean focusing less on grades and more on growth. Less on standardized testing and more on real-world challenges. Less on copying the answers and more on challenging the system that asks the questions. Some educators are already making the shift. Schools in Singapore, Finland, and parts of the US are exploring AI ethics courses, teaching students to think about what it means to work with machines, not against them. So no, AI isn't the end of school, but it is the end of a system that rewards memorization over imagination. The future belongs to learners who can ask questions AI can't answer, who can build things AI can't imagine, who can connect, feel, and lead in ways no algorithm ever will. So here's what I want to know. If AI can write your homework, what will you do that a machine never could? Leave your answer in the comments. And if this made you rethink school, education, or the future, hit like, share this with a curious friend, and subscribe to School Subjects Online, where we ask the questions they never put on the test. Until next time, stay human and stay curious.